Hi, my name is Miss Allison. I'm the Youth Engagement Coordinator here at the Hamilton East Public Library. Today I want to do a quick and easy science experiment that you can do at home with your preschool age child. Today we are going to test different objects to see if they will sink or float. The objects that I chose are an Easter egg, a shaker egg, a dino stamp, a train, a ladybug, a butterfly, a cork, a clothespin, a flower pot, some PVC pipe, a ping pong ball, a pearl bead, a Hot Wheels car, a red glass pebble, a seashell, and some play iced tea. First, we are going to write out our hypothesis. Hypothesis is just a fancy word for an educated guess. In this case, we are guessing whether each object will sink or float. I did mine in chart form. Now comes the fun part. We're going to place each object in some water to see if our hypothesis for each one is correct. Up first is an Easter egg. And that floats. Next, we have a shaker egg. Oh, it was a little heavier, but it still floats. Next we have a dino stamp. That floats too. About a train. Oh, it sunk a little bit, but it's still kind of floating on top. Next I have this ladybug. It's kind of plastic, kind of a heavy plastic. Ooh, that sunk right away. Another bug, butterfly. He floats too. Now we have a cork. Now it floats, doesn't it? We have a clothespin. Floats too. What about this flower pot? Let's see. Ooh, that sunk. Got some PVC pipe. That sunk too. What about this ping pong ball? That floats. We have a tiny pearl bead. Ooh, that sunk. But this Hot Wheels car, I think this one's going to sink too. Let's see. My hypothesis was correct. It sunk. Little glass pebble. Let's see. That sunk too. About my cool seashell. 1, 2, 3. That sunk. And finally, this is just a little bottle of play iced tea. Oh, that was really heavy. It's kind of wooden, but it actually floats. So originally I picked out 16 items. I thought that I would have 8 that sunk to the bottom and 8 that would float. But I got a couple of them wrong. This shaky egg I thought would sink, but it actually floated. This play iced tea bottle I also thought would sink, but it decided to float. That's why we do experiments, so we can see if our hypothesis, our educated guesses, are right or wrong. You can repeat this experiment over and over again to see if you get any better at guessing. That is what scientists do all the time. They try again and again and again. Thanks for joining me today. Have fun experimenting.